Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning the house a little bit. I am going to be doing some laundry, doing some dishes, vacuuming, cleaning off the front porch, and I really need to clean the kids' bathroom, so I'm just going to be tidying up in there, and then also be like sweeping off the front porch because dirt and leaves have been getting on there. So the front porch needs a good sweep. And then I'm going to be making a recipe called a taco casserole. I've never made it, so this is going to be my first time making it, and I'll show y'all how I make it and the steps and what to do and stuff like that. So but yeah, so let's get to cleaning first.
From within, today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live. Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do.
We are outside eating our lunch. Got a sandwich, apples, and some pretzels. Addie got the same thing too. Is it good, Addie Boo? So yes, so this is our lunch, and we're just enjoying outside. Got my water in here. So, yep.
No one else than each other, you and me, you and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me. And me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious.
So I am now about to make a taco casserole. So all you need is like ground beef, onions, taco seasoning mix, a can of rotel, and it says not to drain it. So, and some tortillas and cheese. So I have everything in a baking dish. Rotel, seasoning mix, flour, tortillas. This is for a side. This is rice for the side. Beef, cheese, and some onions. So this is everything I'm going to put in the taco casserole. It says you can use like corn, olives. I'm sure you can do like, you know, black beans, just all kinds of stuff. So, but this is the stuff I'm using for our supper tonight. So I'm going to cook the beef and get it all layered into the dish and eat it and enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to do the onions first, getting them all soft, and then I'll be adding the meat. And I did 2 pounds of meat, I think. So I'm just going to add the meat with the onions and chop that up good and getting all the meat browned. And then I'll be adding some taco seasoning mix and a little bit of water with it. And then I will be adding a can of rotel. And now I am spraying the pan so it doesn't stick at the bottom. So here I am just spraying it. And then you're going to take 2 tortillas and put it at the bottom of the dish. And then you're going to add your meat and spread it all over the tortillas. And don't use all the meat, just use like half of it and spread it all around. And then you're going to add your cheese all over it. And then you're going to just repeat it and add 2 more tortillas, the meat, and cheese at the very top. And then you're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Y'all, this taco casserole was amazing. I really enjoyed this. This was so good, and with the rice, it was just amazing. Briley did say there was too much tomatoes in it, but it was still so good, and we enjoyed it, and I will be making this again. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.